Welcome to KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today I'll be making my modified version of a classic Korean Gochujang BBQ sauce. This sauce is really easy to make. It will last a long time in your refrigerator and is a very important and integral part of many Korean recipes. If you want to know what this sauce tastes like, the traditional gochujang sauce is really hot but has a complex layer of flavors which are sweet, tangy, and spicy. And the nice thing about it is that you can taste all of these individual flavors. My version is spicy with a bit of heat that is created from the Korean red pepper paste. I think that if you give this hot Korean barbecue sauce a try, it will soon become one of your favorite barbecue sauces. At the end of the video, I will preview some Korean recipes that will be posted very soon that uses hot gochujang barbecue sauce. The macronutrient ratio for the hot gochujang barbecue sauce is 2.8 to 1, with 2.3 grams of total carbs, 0.3 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 2 grams of net carbs per tablespoon serving. Now let's get started and make this hot Korean barbecue sauce. In my measuring cup, I poured in the roasted sesame seed oil and the Korean red pepper flakes. For your convenience, I will be providing an Amazon link for this product in the description section. And next I added the tomato paste into the measuring cup and gave these two ingredients a quick stir. Next, add the sweetener, which has been ground to a confectionery or powder consistency, and give the whole thing a quick stir. Oh dear, I used too small of a measuring cup for this video. I should have used a 2-cup size measuring cup. So I'm just going to transfer the content into a larger glass container. Now add the freshly ground green ginger and the grated garlic. Now add the black pepper and the finely chopped green onions, also known as spring onions. Add some more roasted red pepper sesame seed oil, and at this time also add your apple cider vinegar and stir everything together very well. This is all there is to making this hot Korean gochujang barbecue sauce. But before using this sauce, I would strongly recommend you let the barbecue sauce rest for at least 30 to 60 minutes. This will allow the flavors to have time to infuse and develop together. So there's no confusion, I would like to emphasize that this is an adapted version that I based on an original gochujang barbecue sauce recipe. In making this modified version, I had to make several substitutions because some of the ingredients that are part of the original recipes could not be used in a keto, low-carb, paleo, or gluten-free recipe. One last thing, I will be posting several new videos which will use this sauce as an ingredient. I'd also like to mention that this barbecue sauce will keep well in the refrigerator for several weeks, or if you're not intending to use it in the near future, you can freeze it, but I suggest you freeze it in an ice cube tray with 1 tablespoon servings at a time, and once the cubes have frozen, transfer it into an airtight, freezer-safe container. Also, this will last very well for you for several months. Mine has lasted 3 months in my freezer. And when I thawed my hot Korean barbecue sauce, all I had to do was just stir it to combine all the ingredients again, and the taste was amazing. The taste had developed a bit more and had a really great authentic Korean barbecue sauce flavor. And here's a preview of a couple things I'll be posting very soon. One of my family's favorite uses for this sauce is to make our hot and spicy gochujang wings. As well, I use the hot gochujang barbecue sauce to make a tasty and refreshing dip that goes perfectly with these gochujang hot wings. I hope you'll check these new videos out as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. The link for the printable recipe available in my blog will be posted in the description below.